Good afternoon through long all man of Papua New Guinea. Usati following me long pico hydro, micro hydro. Basically, you can look him on tableau board here. He got Tesla diagram. Suppose you look him now. Number one, people need low measure him head. Number two, flow. Number three, distance. Now kiss him training manual blow me 100 kina. Deposit him money go to Westpac account 600866498. Joe Chinao na mibla ba salim sila training manual. Biyan ba mibla give him you video link blong him so that you can watch him na school him you yet. Okay, you look him head here. Me come look front here. Head number one. Head you come sila drawing lo here. Head here vertical height. Mibla ba show him you lo how lo measure him. Number two you come long flow. You can look in flow here in liters per second. You come back in low upside here. Mibla ba showing you how lo measuring flow rate long wara on tableau mountain. Okay, you come back in on the diagram here. Number three, distance. Distance here you come on the diagram lo me here MD yeah. Mibla ba showing me how lo measuring distance. So me come down lo underneath here to get my training manual 100 kina. Now you yet line him you yet. Westpac account lumia stop lo here. Mibla like show him you lo rot. Lo tupla rot one you can measure him this land na order him turbine blue lo overseas or you can improvise na walk him lo you yet. Now lo measure him potential power. You look him this la formula on top here. Power equals to rho GH. Density times gravity times height times flow rate gives you watts. Give me call 703297330. Thank you very much, Papua New Guinea.